Schluter-KERDI Board SN is a fully sealed, prefabricated shower niche made of Schluter-KERDI board. The niche is available in several sizes. The larger sizes come complete with a removable shelf. KERDI Board SN can be easily installed in shower or bathtub surround applications. Here's how to install one in conjunction with the Schluter-KERDI waterproofing membrane over solid backing, such as gypsum board on wall framing. First, mark the desired location. Tile layout can be an important factor in determining the position of the niche. For example, the niche can be installed so that the opening lines up with the wall tile installation and provides minimal tile cuts and clean, even grout lines. Keep in mind that the KERDI Board SN has a 2-inch wide flange on the outside of the niche. This is where the wall board will be cut away for installation. Trace around the outside of the niche flange, making sure the lines are level and plumb. Then, cut and remove the solid backing such that the niche will be supported on both sides by the studs or other pre-constructed wall framing. Insert the niche and fasten to the studs using the appropriate screws. Fasteners are placed along the seam approximately 1/4 inch from the edges of the niche. Fasten all corners and limit overall fastener spacing to 12 inches on center. Now that the niche is installed, the wall is made waterproof using the Schluter-KERDI waterproofing membrane. KERDI is bonded to the solid backing and niche using any Schluter thin-set mortar or an unmodified thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel, or the Schluter-KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Clean any dust or debris from the surface of the solid backing. It is important to dampen particularly dry and porous substrates in order to help prevent premature drying or skinning of the thin-set mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the gypsum board and niche with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface. And then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. The mortar is applied up to the niche opening. Apply the KERDI over the wall. Embed the membrane into the mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure proper adhesion and to remove air pockets. Cut the KERDI along the shower niche opening. The shower niche flange is designed to provide a 2-inch overlap. The KERDI Board SN shower niche installation is now complete, waterproof, and ready for tile. Check out how to tile a niche with Schluter profiles for all the details on tiling your KERDI Board SN shower niche. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.